Hello, my name is not Greg Baloney. Sorry about the long break. I actually died and had to beat the devil in an arm wrestling match, and I guess we both know who came out on top, huh? He did. So, yeah. He said I could finish the video, though, so. The family camera. Everyone's had one at some point in their life. My mom had a little camcorder and a point and shoot when I grew up, but before that, she had this little Sony CyberShot DCD-7. Now what's special about this little sucker? Well, it's rocking a whopping 3.2 megapixel picture quality. Oh, and it takes videos. Okay, this camera has become obsolete, clearly. The only real function that it serves is the nostalgic factor it brings. I mean, just listen to me scrolling through the menu. Oh, just fucking... Oh, you don't get anything like it anymore. Unfortunately, mine doesn't seem to work. Whenever you go to turn it on, the lens doesn't pop out. And I don't know if you know this, but that's how a camera's supposed to function. I purchased an untested CyberShot off of eBay, and today we're gonna see if we can fix it. Well, it's been a long time since I've opened up anything. Here we are. I probably should have worn gloves, because this is hideous. Let's check to see if this sucker works. Oh! It even came with a battery? Oh, that's beautiful. I don't know if it has a charge on it, but I already have one. Whoa. That lens works. Everything else works. It's a working camera. Because here's mine. As you can see, it's in much better condition. Oh, these are different stickers. So just extra information. Interesting. Well, here's mine. Let's take a listen to how this turns on. Let's go ahead and open up mine. See if maybe we could potentially fix the issue with the lens. Because if we can, hallelujah, now I have two of the same camera. Why? I don't know. The more the merrier. These are a little tough. And I don't want to put any more pressure on it because I feel like I'm going to snap the damn thing in half. See what happens. Can't see it on the outside, so it has to be further in here. See if we can get rid of this screen right here. It's the whole housing. So this whole left part looks like the screen is actually a part of it. Because when I move the lens, the viewfinder, the actual screen, and the lens itself are moving with it. I'll be honest with you. When taking apart the first camera, I unscrewed a lot of unnecessary parts for no reason. So for the sake of your time and mine, let's just skip to the part where it's complete. There we go. Okay, before I continue, let's get the battery. Test this thing out. See if it works. Save your applause until the end. Hey Bozo, you think you fixed the lens on one camera and you're hot shit now? No. What the heck is this? Dude fixes one camera and forgets how to put the pieces back together. For the sake of your time this time and not mine, because I'm the one that has to edit this, let's just jump to the part where it's put back together. Yeesh, get a load of this guy, am I right? And I did it. So what ended up happening was, when I was trying to put on this piece onto right here, I had it actually on top of it like this. So it wasn't sitting flush because it's supposed to go behind and under like that. So since it was pushed out like that, like before, basically when I was trying to put the front piece back together, it was pushing it too far out that the button contacts of these were not touching these properly. So, lesson learned, don't just try to shove shit back together and hope for the best. Anyway, but I did it. So my Sony CyberShot now has a working lens. Zooms out, works completely fine. All the videos work, and then the zoom out and zoom in work. Pretty snazzy if you ask me. Say cheese. Alright, cool. And there we have it. My camera works again. But actually, it's your lucky day because you and I are gonna go test this thing outside. Bah. Fucking no.
So I set myself up for a transition and I forgot what it was. So we're just gonna have to roll with it.
Here we are in, there's a moving special. No, so we're just gonna go for a walk. Got the camera here in my little tiny satchel bag. So we're gonna have a grand old time. We're also gonna do a little POV of filming it. So brought out the GoPro for this little section. All right. Don't I look cool? Hello. Okay, it's not so bad out here, weather-wise. They see. They're both just eyeballing me. Hello? Now, I'm just letting you know I'm not the best photographer, so clearly these shots are not going to be my best work, probably ever.
So, yeah.
This is weird. It's really cool. That was weird.
So I clearly just heard some movement right back in this little area. So I'm gonna call it here, just in case I get mauled by an animal.
that was fun. Hope you enjoyed. Now back to my dumbass.
Hey, thanks, asshole. Overall, this was a fun little camera to fix. The feedback of the camera, the simplicity of the design, even though it's an odd-looking design, and just pointing out, I have normal-sized human hands. This thing is fucking tiny. I would say it's a perfect starter camera for a kid who wants to get into photography. I mean, it comes with a little satchel, come on. Thankfully, I was able to fix my lens, and now I've got the perfect travel camera to take sort of crappy pictures. Now, the image quality is not bad for what it is, and I edited the pictures in Lightroom afterwards, so it's fine. With that being said, buy yourself a freaking CyberShot off of eBay or something. It doesn't have to be this one specifically, it could be any of the CyberShot cameras. They go for like 20 bucks on eBay. These little cameras are honestly super easy to repair. If you want to get into repairs yourself, I would suggest looking on eBay for some untested lots of, the point and shoot cameras. If you made it this far into the video, thank you. I truly appreciate you sticking around to the end. Thank you for watching. Remember to adopt, don't shop. Have a fantastic day. Later. If you want to get into tech repairs,